If you're an imperfect parent like I am, then you are making lots of mistakes, and that's okay. The best thing we can do when we make mistakes or when we maybe fly off the handle or don't handle things the best way is to make a repair, admit it, say sorry. And it doesn't have to be that day. It can be a week later, it can be a year later. If you know that you did something in the less than ideal way, go to your child and say, I'm sorry. I remember that day I did such and such. That was just a bad parenting moment. I was feeling this way and I handled it the wrong way. Here's what I should have done, and here's what I'm going to try and do next time. This is such an important thing to do. It teaches children how to take ownership for their mistakes and for their wrongdoings, and it really improves the connection between you and your child. Right now, go and make a repair with your child. It can be for the smallest thing or the biggest thing. It can be from today or it can be from 3 years ago. Whatever it is, go now, make a repair. You'll be glad you did.